welcome to another video in our controller dashboard training series. In this video I'm going to talk about broadcasting a message to a site. What we mean by broadcasting a message to a site is that you're going to send the site a text message, so you're going to type the site a message, and remember on site they don't have a screen on the device, so they can't see that message. So what the device is going to do, when the device receives that message, within 20 to 30 seconds of you sending it, the device will play a tone. It'll play the tone twice, so that the guard will now look at the device or acknowledge the device, and then it'll speak the message that you have just sent to them, or that you have just typed to them. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you an example. So let's click on this button over here, broadcast messages, okay, and then we choose a site. So let's use this site, 33 Anpom, okay. Now we don't broadcast messages to an entire site. We also don't broadcast messages to every site or every device. We broadcast a message per device at the moment, okay. So I'm going to send it to this site. Now let's choose the device on that site. Alright, I'm going to choose that device, and let's go. I'm just going to send him a test. Alright, so remember, everything that is done on the controller dashboard is audited, and there is history for everything that you do. Okay, so let me send this. So because of that, be mindful of what you're typing, and be as accurate as possible. Okay, the same goes for feedback. When you are creating feedback on an alert, create the feedback, or create your feedback as accurate as possible. This allows for troubleshooting at a later stage, and it allows for easier troubleshooting at a later stage. If you're going to type rubbish into the feedback form, expect absolutely zero troubleshooting to be done, because nobody will know what's going on, and you won't know tomorrow when you come on shift what you meant by yesterday's message. So remember what I said, that everything is audited. There is history for everything. So we sent a message to the device on 33 Anpom, okay. Now the device just sent a message back saying that the broadcast message was sent to the device, okay. I sent the broadcast message, okay, and this is the broadcast message, okay. This is system injected, but this was received from the device, okay. So the device sent this message back saying that it's received that broadcast message. So now you know that the broadcast message has been received on the device, because the device has sent back a message saying that it has been received. If the volume on the device is down, if the volume is low on the device, the broadcast message is pointless. So if the volume on the device is 0, he's not going to hear it. This only goes for broadcast messages. When the patrol starts, the volume will be pushed to the default volume that is set on the back end by your supervisor or manager. So if they set a default volume of 50%, that means that if the device is below 50%, the volume will be sent, or the volume will be pushed to 50% when it calls for that patrol. So there's no more excuse that, oh, I never heard the patrol, or it never sent me on a patrol. If it's telling you here that he must start walking the patrol, it means that he has been told on the device that he must start walking the patrol, and it has pushed the volume to an audible level for him to receive that message that the patrol needs to start.